Can you solve this question? Read it carefully, try to come up with the answer. The question is on Parliament's judicial powers. I'll give you some time, read it. Okay, so let us discuss each of the options. The first option, so the question is basically asking, is not considered as judicial powers. First says that it can impeach the president for violation of the constitution. Yes, it can do so under Article 61. So this won't be the correct answer. The second option, it says it can recommend the removal of judges from Supreme Court. Yes, it can do so under Article 124 of the constitution. So this won't be the correct answer. The C option, it says it can punish its members or outsider for breach of privilege or contempt. Yes, it can do so under various conventions, Article 105, 122 and other rules of the houses. So this won't be the correct answer. The last option, the removal of UPSC chairman and the members. It is done by the president with a reference case to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court conducts an inquiry based on its report. The president basically fires the members or chairman of the UPSC. So this won't be the judicial power of the parliament, and this will be your answer. Those who have marked D, congratulations. For more such discussions, please follow our channel. Thank you.